Let us begin Chapter 5, Sections 3 and 4. Here we are multiplying exponents. So to multiply exponents, we add the degrees. So 9 times negative 3 is negative 27, t to the 11th. Again, when multiplying exponents, you add 6 plus 5 is 11, and you multiply the bases. 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. Here you have 3 times 1 is negative 3 over 28. Combining the exponents, 7 plus 4 is 11. So your answer is negative 3 over 28 y to the 11th. Here we need to distribute. So 4x times 5x squared is 20x to the third. 4x times negative 6 is negative 24x squared. And negative 4 times negative 10 is negative 40x. Problem number 4. Here we have a fraction, which means you just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. It's understood to have a denominator of 1. So you have 1 times 9 over 3. 9 over 3 is just 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. Again, 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. Negative 6 over 3 is 2. So you have 2y to the third. Again, 2 plus 1 is 3. And then you're left with plus 1 over 3 y squared. And that is our answer. For the next problem, multiplying a binomial times a binomial, you want to use FOIL. And FOIL is first, outer, inner, and last. So this is the first, the outer, the inner, and the last. So let's multiply x times x is x squared. X times 9 is 9x. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 9 is 18. Now we can combine the middle terms. We have x squared plus 11x plus 18 is our answer. Now the last problem of number 1, we do the same thing. We FOIL. So we have to multiply a times a cubed, which is a to the fourth. A times negative 3a squared is a negative 3a to the third. And a times 7 is 7a. Now we do inner. We have plus 2a cubed. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6a squared. And then 2 times 7 is positive 14. Now let us combine like terms. We have only one a to the fourth. We have negative 3a cubed plus 2a cubed. So we have negative 1a cubed. We only have one 6a squared. So we just leave the 6a squared. And again, only one 7a plus 7a, and only one number. And this is our final answer for number 1. Number 2, multiply using the FOIL method, which we just did. We multiply the first. X times x is x squared. Outer, x times negative 1 is negative 1x. Inner, 5 times x. And last is negative 5. And we combine like terms, which is the two middle terms. So you have x squared plus 4x minus 5 is our answer. The next one, 38y times 2y is 6y squared. 3y times negative 4 is negative 12y. Negative 5 times 2y is negative 10y. Negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20. Combining like terms, we have 6y squared, negative 12y minus 10y. Again, you have the same sign, so you add. You have negative 31y plus 20. And that is our final answer. Okay, the next one here, you want to FOIL. First, let's just bring this 2 down here, and let's FOIL the x times 2x is 2x squared. X times negative 9 is negative 9x. Negative 11 times 2 is negative 22x. Negative 11 times negative 9 is positive 99. Let's combine like terms. We have 2 times 2x squared. Negative 9 minus 22 is negative 31x plus 99. And we still have to multiply that 2. So let's distribute the 2, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4x squared. 2 times negative 31 is negative 62x. 2 times 99 is positive 198. And this is our final answer. The last problem from number 2 is you follow the same procedure. You want to FOIL. So x times x is x squared. X times 1/5 is positive 1/5 x. Negative 2/5 times x is negative 2/5 x. Negative 2/5 times 1/5. Again, you multiply the numerators and you multiply the denominator. Combining like terms, you have 1 minus 2. So you have x squared minus 1 over 5x minus 2 over 25. And that is our answer for number 2. Number 3, you want to multiply. You have special products. So x plus 7 squared is the same as x plus 7 times x plus 7, or you can use the special product rule, which is a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So let's FOIL first, and then we can use the special product rule. That way you can see the 2 ways of solving. So x times x is x squared. X times 7 is 7x. 7 times x is 7x plus 49. So we have x squared plus 14x plus 49. Now that's multiplying by FOILing, or we can use the special product rule. Here we have our a is x and our b is 7. So using our rule, we have a squared, which is x squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared, which is x squared plus 14x plus 49. And here you come up with the same answer as you would FOILing. For the second part of number 3, we can use the special product rule. So let's define our a is 7x and our b is 3. So here we have the negative sign, which means we have 7x squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Okay, so the only difference is the negative. 49x squared, and then you've got 2 times 7 times 3, which is negative 42x plus 9. And that is our final answer. And number 4, we have a special product rule again. If you have a plus b times a minus b, your answer is a squared minus b squared. Or you can FOIL as well for this one. So here you have a squared, which is your b. So you have b squared minus 9 is your final answer for that one. And the last one, you have the same 4x minus 5 times 4x plus 5. Again, your a is the 4x. So 4x squared is 16x squared. And the b is 5, b squared is 25. And that is our final answer, 16x squared minus 25. And the top one is b squared minus 9. And that completes our answers to chapters 5, section 3 and 4.